Say to my future employers, my name is Gloria Oberquez. I am 46 years old and I was born on April 14, 1979. I graduated from college with a 2-year course in food service management. I also completed a caregiving while working in Hong Kong and successfully graduated. I live in Cavite, Philippines. I am married to Christopher Abarquez and we've been happily together for 23 years. We are blessed with 3 daughters. Our eldest is 22 years old and currently studying psychology. Our second daughter is 20 years old and taking up hospitality management. Our youngest is 17-year-old and planning to study criminology in college. I am a youngest among 3 siblings. I work in Hong Kong as a domestic helper. With my first employer, I stayed for 4 years and 4 months. I took care of their 55 years old siblings with Down syndrome. I helped her bath, dress, trim nails, clean ears, hair, and take her outside. I also did housework like cleaning, cooking, laundry, and grocery shopping. On my third contract, they decided to bring her to elderly homes because her condition worsened. They hired me to take care of her, not for housework. So they ended my contract respectfully. With my second employer, I worked for 1 year and 5 months. I cared for an 80-year-old woman, packing, grooming, giving medicine, cooking, cleaning, and accompanying her to the hospital. After 8 months, her behavior changed and she became aggressive. But I stayed because I needed to support my children's education. I also learned to cook basic Chinese like um, long, long soup, short soup, steamed egg, steamed fish, steamed minced pork. I also watch YouTube to learn more recipes and improve my cooking. I am hardworking mom, patient, and willing to learn. I hope you will give me a chance to serve your family with care and dedication. Thank you and God bless.